Of course, you've aced all of the 5 steps that were discussed in the previous 5 videos, so why video number 6? Well, now you need to report on your research. Writing a good report means, among many other things, that of course, you will include all of the steps in your research. Do not leave anything out. Be very clear in what you're trying to tell us. Always build stuff up. Start with something that is common knowledge, and then build the next step, build the next step, build the next step, and it goes up like a ladder, like a stairs. You would start with something that is common knowledge, or that is easy to understand, a very basic principle. In my thesis I wrote about transmedia storytelling. Well, most of you will probably be like, trans what? So I talked about storytelling first, something that people can understand. Then I introduced media, and then I started talking about transmedia, and then I started talking about transmedia storytelling. So you see, in 4 steps I built up from storytelling to transmedia storytelling. And that is what I would like you to do as well, especially in your literary research, in your, literature research. You may be doing a literary research, I don't know. Tell me what you're doing in the comments down below. But your literature research and in the rest of your thesis, make sure that you build up block for block so that everybody can follow. Actually, pretend that you're writing for someone who is as smart as you, who is doing something on the same level as you, but something else completely. Include all the information on the title page, include a table of contents. Usually there's a management summary there if we're talking about a thesis, not necessarily about a normal research paper. So include your introduction, your theoretical framework, your question, your methodology. I'm not going in the right order, but you know what I mean. Include everything. Make a document that makes sense, that includes everything. Be clear about it. Don't include too little information. Don't include too much information. Always include references. Tell me your sources. And we always have to take that very seriously. So please avoid plagiarism for yourself, for us. Check the assignment. That is my number 1 tip for today. Check your assignment and make sure that you've got all the ingredients, all the elements. Here endeth the lesson. These are the 6 main things I wanted to talk about to you about academic skills, about writing your thesis or your research paper. I think these are the most important things to keep in mind. If you have questions, please put them in the comments below each video that makes sense. So if you have one about literature, put it in the video about literature. Or below the video about literature. Only I can put stuff in the videos, of course. And now I'm going to end it here. But if you have more questions, for instance, about specific ways of doing research, then maybe I'll make more. And if not, yay, I'm free. So thank you for watching. Good luck with writing your paper, your thesis. And let me know if I can do something for you.